ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद which brahmana is this? Arthabhaga Brahmana, page number 705. In this, it was last sentence we read in Bhashya, Tasmat Parichinna Rupan Mrityoho Atimuktasya Rupani Agnyadityadini Udgitha Prakarane Vyakhyathani. So, Agni Prapti, Aditya Prapti in Udgitha Prakarana, they were shown, and this is in the form of Atimukti from Mrityu. Mrityoho Parichinna Rupat Mrityoho Atimuktasya. Mrityoho, which vibhakti is this?
Panchami.
Because it is not Mrityu getting Atimukta. From Mrityu we are getting Atimukti. Now, little bit of idea about what is this sequence. So, Bhashyakar gives, first let us read Bhashya Tika, then I will explain. Ashwala Prashne cha tadgato visheshah kaschit. In Ashwala Prashna means previous Brahmana. Tadgata Vishesha, this Devata Prapti will release you from some problems of samsara. In this way it was explained. How will it happen? Taccha etat karmanam jnana sahitanam phalam. It is the phalam of karma along with jnana. Tika. Fourth line. तद्गतो विशेषो अज्ञादिगतो दृष्टिभेद इति यावत्. अज्ञादिगत दृष्टिभेदेन उपासना. कश्चित् व्याख्यातः उद्गीत ब्राह्मण इति संबंधः. सूत्रस्यापि मृत्युग्रस्तत्वम् अभिप्रेत्य आह. If somebody attains Hiranyagarbha, Sutratma, Sutra is also Mrityugrasta. Mrityugrastatvam abhipretya aha. Tachag etat karmanam jnana sahitanam phalam. This is the phalam of jnana karma upasana samuchaya. Jnana means upasana. Upasana karma samuchaya. Agni adityadhyatmakam sautram padam iti yavat. Agni aditya, this is sautra pada. Phalam yathokta mrityugrastam iti sheshaha. So even if the result is in the form of Hiranyagarbha Prapti, some mrityugrastatvam is there. Kimiti mrityor bandhana rupasya swarupam uchyate tatraha. Now, why are you talking about mrityu, which is bandhana rupa? It's swarupam. That will be discussed here. Why? एतस्मात् साध्य साधन रूपात् संसारान् मोक्षः कर्तव्य इति अतो बंधन रूपस्य मृत्योः स्वरूपम उच्यते. So now what is the nature of bandhana, otherwise known as mrityu? Mrityu is asanga. So Acharya says sadhya sadhana रूपात् samsarat मोक्षः कर्तव्यः. Moksha should be there from this sadhya sadhana रूप samsara. इति अतः, for this reason, bandhana रूपस्य मृत्योः स्वरूपम. Therefore, what is the nature of bandhana, bondage? That is explained. ननु मोक्षे कर्तव्य बंध रूप उपवर्णनम अनुपयुक्तम, वर्णनम अनुपयुक्तम न उपयुक्तम. मोक्ष कर्तव्य, if my कर्तव्य is moksha, if I am seeking moksha, description of bandhana रूप is inappropriate. Purvapaksha things like this. ये बद्धस्य ही मोक्षा कर्तव्य. If you don't know the problem, how are you going to solve it? So now, how we have to think? Because again now some topic on graha, atigraha, which we saw yesterday. So look at it this way, this whole chapter. One thing, of course, is the cows and that discussion. Who will take the cow? Who will establish I am the Brahmavit Tamaha among all this? But the main thing which we can understand is how different people are going to use or going to perform different sadhana in order to overcome mrityu, bandhana. So some we saw in the previous one or in the Udgita as upasana, karma upasana samuchaya, some devata pada prapti. Some will be shown here in the form of graha atigraha, mukti from graha atigraha, means Vishaya and Indriya's attraction for Vishaya. This is the problem. Somewhere somebody understands something as problem. Somebody understands something as problem. They work for it, they will get the phalam. Gradually, a person will come to Saguna Brahma, then Nirguna Brahma. So up to 8th Brahmana, this is the prakriya. It will gradually go up to 8th Brahmana, where Nirguna Brahma will be explained. 9th Brahmana is where this Shakalya will come. And now he is frustrated, irritated, and he will go on arguing. And therefore, at the end, his head will fall off because he is doing unnecessary argument. So the prakriya is how you go from where I am to Nirguna Brahma. There is a gradual process in which different things are given. Of course, in between itself, in the 4th, 5th Brahmana, the nature of Aparoksha Brahma will be revealed. But Vistar will be done only in the 8th Brahmana. So one should understand this in this way also. One is just some Jalpa Katha is going on, arguing. One person gets defeated, another will come. He will ask some questions just to oppose. But the main theme is different kind of sadhanas. Main thing is until I get Vairagya. Vairagyan naparam sukhasya janakam ashyami vashyatmanaha. Then Viveka Chudamani. Tachet Shuddhataratma Bodha Sahitam Swarajya Samrajya Dhuk. There is, Bhagavan Bhashakar says, there is no greater Sukhasya Janaka than Vairagya. So all these previous Brahmanas, they are mainly emphasizing Vairagya. And in Naishkarma Siddhi, today, this topic will come. Main is Vairagya, all this. So if Vairagya is there, then everything will work out. See now further. Ajnadinam yathokta mrityu vyaptim uktam vyakti karoti. For Ajnadi yathokta mrityu vyapti. Ajnadi are also in the grip of mrityu. Mrityu vyapti means mrityuna vyaptam. Ajna मृत्युना व्याप्तिम अज्ञादीनां व्याप्तिम भाष्य तद अपि अतिमुक्तस्य स्वरूपम उक्तम तत्रापि ग्रहाति ग्रहाभ्याम अविनिर्मुक्त एव मृत्यु रूपाभ्याम. This atimukti what was discussed earlier in different ways, they all are still grahati grahabhyam mrityu roopabhyam avinirmukta, means from the graha atigraha which is in the form of mrityu, from that mrityu they are not free, because vairagya is not there. This graha atigraha, graha is indriya, atigraha is vishaya. Vishaya is called atigraha because it has greater power than indriya, like how it is given in katha, indriya bhya parahi artha. Why? Because vishaya has the ability to take away indriya for most people. Avinirmukta eva atimukto api iti shesha. In the same way, atimukta is not free from graha atigraha rupam mrityu. Tathapi katham sutrasya yathokta mrityu vyapti tatra. Then how sutrasya yathokta mrityu vyapti is there? तथा च उक्तम अशनाया ही मृत्युः एष एव मृत्युः इति आदित्यस्थं पुरुषम् अंगीकृत्य आह एको मृत्युर्बहवा इति च. तथा च उक्तम अशनाया ही मृत्यु, दिस अशना पिपासा, एनी सच डिजायर्स इज मृत्यु. एष एव मृत्युः इति आदित्यस्थं पुरुषम् अंगीकृत्य, दैट पुरुष व्हिच इज इन द आदित्य, आदित्यस्थं पुरुषम् अंगीकृत्य एको आह एको मृत्यु. मृत्यु here means सूत्रात्मा, because सूत्रात्मा is also मृत्युग्रस्त, therefore for सूत्रात्मा मृत्यु शब्द is used. But bahava cha, bahava iti cha, bahava, bahavaha, chandas prayoga is there, bahava. In tika it is given, bahava iti chandasam. So this is the pramana. Because in tika it is said, tathapi katham ajnadinam mrityu vyaptir nahi tatra pramanam asti. There is no pramanam for ajnadi having mrityu. He said they are also same. Bahava is chandasam. Bahava iti chandasam. तथापि विदुषो मृत्योः अतिमुक्तस्य न तदाप्तिर इत्याशंक्याः तदात्मभावापन्नो हि मृत्युराप्तिम अतिमुच्यत इति उच्यते. So the one who attains Agni Bhava, Aditya Bhava, that Vidusha, Vidusha here means that Upasaka. He is, it is said, Atimuchyate iti uchyate. But nacha tatra grahati graho mrityu rupau nastaha. Means tatra grahati graho mrityu rupau staha. There they are there. टीका सौत्रे पदे मृत्यु व्याप्तिं प्रकारांतरेण प्रकटयति. So in Sautra pada, even for Hiranyagarbha, this is there. Then somebody will ask in the Chaturtha Brahmana, when this Hiranyagarbha topic came, at that time you said he understood Brahma Vaidam Agra Asit Tadatmanam Evavet Aham Brahmasmi iti Tatsmat Tat Sarvam Abhavat. So it is said every Hiranyagarbha may not get this enlightenment. Hiranyagarbha or Brahmaloka Prapti, everybody who has, everybody doesn't get moksha. Imagine there like a big hall is there, everybody gathered in Brahmaloka. And then somebody says, I am not interested, I am going. And somebody, I am going to, I like all this, I am coming back here. Means so that's how they say Panchagni Vidya is somebody has done that upasana. That person then upasanas they don't get. Dahar upasaka will get moksha. Krama Mukti is there for Dahar upasaka. Both are in Brahmaloka. But one will get, another will not get. So there is Bheda. Tika मनसि कार्यकरण रूपेण दिवश्च आदित्यस्य च ऐक्यम अस्तु तथापि कथम ग्रहाति ग्रह गृहीतत्वं सूत्रस्य इति आशंक्य आह. मनसि कार्यकरण रूपेण दिवश्च आदित्यस्य च ऐक्य. In mind, thinking in this way, Karyakarana, they are one. Kapala and Ghata, Mrittika and Ghata are one. Karyakarana Rupena Aikyam Astu. And therefore, Divaha Aditya, Aditya is Karana, Diva is Karya. Day and night, they are there. So, Manasi Nidhaya, in this way you should understand. Tathapi, Katham Grahati Graha Grihitatvam Sutrasya. How Sutra has Graha Atigraha dosha. Iti Ashankyaha. Before that, in Bhashya, one line is there. Atha etasya manaso dyauhu shariram jyoti rupam asau adityah. Etasya manaso dyauhu shariram jyoti rupam asau adityah. Dyauhu, what is the Vishesha Sutra? What is the Pratipadika?
Div.
Div. What is the Sutra? What is the Sutra? How many sutras? Only one Sutra you have to tell. Diva out. Diva out. Diva out for Prathama, you will get Dyauhu. For all the other Vibhaktis, what is the Sutra?
Diva Ut.
Diva ut. Atha etasya manaso dyauhu shariram. Dyauhu is shariram. Dyauhu means what is Dyauhu? Antariksham. Shariram. Jyoti rupam asau adityah. Very close. Prithvi is next to Antariksha only. मनश्च ग्रहः स कामेन अतिग्रहेण गृहीत इति वक्ष्यते. Mana is graha. Any indriya, here mana is taken directly, and kamena, so mana will have kamana. Kamana is atigraha. That is its vishaya. Vishaya chintanam is the sukshma rupa of vishaya. Kamena atigrahena. Atigraha is also okay. Atigrahena grihita. Atigraha sanyakena atigraha. Atigraha sanya yasya iti atigraha. In this way he is taken. Iti vakshyati. Prano vai graha. So apanena atigrahena iti. Prana is graha and it is grasta vai apana, which is atigraha. Vag vai graha. Sa namna atigrahena iti cha. Vag is grasta by nama, the name. Means Vag Vyapar, wherever Vag Vyapar is there, that is its atigraha. Tika, Vagader Vaktavyadesh Grahatve Atigrahatve cha Hiranyagarbhe kim ayatam. Okay, Vag has, Vaktavya is Graha, Atigraha, etc. Vag is Graha, Vaktavya is Atigraha. What is there in Hiranyagarbha? Hiranyagarbhe kim ayatam iti ashankyaha tatha triyanna vibhage vyakhyatam asmabhihi. In the three anna, what are the three anna? Vangmana prana. See Tippani number 2. Savishayanam Vangmana prananam sutratmani satvena grahadi rupa bandhena tasya baddhatvam iti vyakhyata. Sutratma will have Vangmana prana. You remember Saptanna Brahmana, right? Yes. In Saptanna Brahmana, what is the main idea that was taught? Does anybody recollect? It has been long time. Prana is Atta. Everything else is Anna. Who created Saptanna? Saptannas are created. Saptanna Srishti is talked about. Who is the creator of the Saptanna? Prajapati. Prajapati is the Jiva. So Saptanna Brahmana is Jiva Srishti. In Panchadashi, 4th chapter, this is how it begins. Panchadashi uses lot of quotations from Upanishads. So Panchadashi, if you have to study thoroughly, you have to know, because actually after study of Upanishad, there is study of Panchadashi. You can study Panchadashi before also as a Prakarana Grantha to get some concepts. In particular, some chapters, like first chapter, etc., they are only for getting the idea. Certain chapters, they require the Upanishad mantras, because Vidyaranya Swamiji's style is, he will take Upanishad mantra and he will discuss. So, he takes 4th chapter, he begins with Saptanna Brahmana. And the Viveka there is Jiva Ishvara Srishti. Jiva Srishti, Ishvara Srishti. So he says Jiva Srishti is this Saptanna. 7 annas are created. Of these 7 anna, Atmane, the 3 are for oneself. These are the 3, Vangmana Prana. So they are there for Sutratma. If they are there, then Bandhana is there. Grahadi Rupa Bandhena Tasya Baddhatvam. This is what he mentions. See, in that Vartika, Prajapati Shabda is there. Vang mana prana rupanam त्र्यन्नात्मन्यपि संभवात् ग्रहाति ग्रहा रूपाणाम नातो मुक्तः प्रजापतिः अतः प्रजापतिः न मुक्तः. Means when you study this Brahadaranyaka or any some upasana prakran will be there. Everything, oh, this is not relevant. And then later when it comes somewhere like in Panchadashi or some other place, and at that time we will feel, but I don't remember anything because I took it thinking that this is not relevant, and now I don't remember it. टीका कर्मफलस्य संसारत्वाच्च तत्फलम सौत्रम पदम मृत्युग्रस्तम एव इत्याह. Karmaphala is samsara, and therefore sautra padam is also karmaphalam, so it is also mrityugrasta. Other than Brahma, everything is mrityugrasta. Jivan mukta will be free. Suvicharitam cha etad yad eva pravritti karanam tadeva nivritti karanam na bhavati iti. Therefore, it is very well thought out that what is pravritti karanam is not nivritti karanam. So, if pravritti karanam is some sutratma pada, because person seeks that pada, he wants to become Hiranyagarbha, so that is pravritti karanam, then that will not be nivritti karanam. Through that you will not get nivritti. Yadeva karma bandha pravritti prayojakam tadeva bandha nivrittir na karanam ataha karma phalam Hiranyagarbha padam bandhanam eva ityartha. That karma which is bandha pravritti prayojakam, how can it give nivritti? Bandha nivrittehe karanam na. So Hiranyagarbha also has bandhana. If Hiranyagarbha has bandhanam, then what to talk of any other gain, any other accomplishment? So if somebody says, I have this, all we should do is remember Hiranyagarbha at that time and then say, if Hiranyagarbha is dukhi, to tumhara to kya hoga? Swamatam uktva matantaram aha. Kechittu sarvam eva nivritti karanam manyante. Some people say everything is nivritti karanam. Sarvam eva karma iti shesha. Sarvam eva karma nivritti karanam. Tika swarga kama vakye dehatmatva nivrittir godohana vakye स्वतंत्र अधिकार निवृत्तिर नित्य नैमित्तिक विधिषु अर्थांतरोपदेशेन स्वाभाविक प्रवृत्ति निरोधो निषेधेषु साक्षादेव नैसर्गिक प्रवृत्तयो निरुध्यन्ते. स्वर्ग काम वाक्ये देहात्मत्व निवृत्ति. Some people say all karma. Karma means Vaidika karma, not Laukika karma. When it is said Sarvam eva karma nivritti karanam means Vaidika karma. How? Laukika karma, you say good karma, they will do paramparaya, then not in this life, maybe next life they will get some vairagya. Everybody wants these, that, so say forget it. Then he will do Vaidik karma, whatever. How? See, Swarga Kama Vakya. Jyotishtomena Swarga Kama Yajit. What is the use of that Vakya? Dehatmatva Nivritti. How? Because who will go to Swarga? Not Deha. So I am not Deha. If I want to go to Swarga, first thing I have to understand is I am not there. Then only I will do those rituals and I will go on doing rituals day and night. Why? because this body is only something that I have for a few years, and I have to make a good use of it to attain my position in Swarga. Godohan Vakya. Next is Godohan. So this Godohan Vakya, 15 number tippani, 15 ka. Chamasena apaha pranayet Godohanena Pashukamasya. Somebody is Pashukama person. So what they have to do, in a Ghata, Kalasha, they have to keep water at the time of Godohana. And then Godohana, Prakriya, etc. He will get Pashu. Pashukama, he will attain Pashu. Means one kind of wealth. Only keeping water in the Ghata, he will not get Gau. When he is Karma Adhikari, at that time, as part of this, when he performs, then he will get Gau. So Godohana Vakya Swatantra Adhikara Nivritti. Or in Godohana Vakya, he is not Swatantra, he is tied by that karma. Then he is performing. What is that? Chamasena apaha pranayet. By chamasa, means some ladle is there. Apaha pranayet means he has to take that apagrahanam. That kalasha is there, in that chamasa will be put. Apagrahanam he will do. When Godohana is going on for that. Pashu abhilasham vina, but without any desire for Pashu. So in Tika it is given Swatantra Adhikara Nivrittihi. Swatantra Adhikara he doesn't have. Nitya Naimittika Vidishu Arthantara Upadeshena. Nitya Naimittika Karma, when it is there, if you want, you put comma after some of these. In Nitya Karma, Naimittika Karma, these vidhis which are there, Arthantara Upadeshena. Arthantara means Swabhavika Pravritti to Bhinnartha. What is Swabhavika Pravritti? Avidyajanya Pravritti. I will do whatever I want, I do whenever I want. This. So those, there are so many Mahatmas and Vidyarthis here, they live, they don't want to live in Gurukula. They want to live outside. What is the advantage of living outside? I can get up whenever I want. I can eat whatever I want. I can go wherever I want. Nobody is there to stop. Gurukula means this morning 5 o'clock Arati. Before that, you have to get ready everything. Means at night, I have to sleep early. Why? What is this? Maharajji gives example of this many times. And there are people, in particular, when cold weather is there, he say, I will get up and do meditation, dhyana, in the beginning itself. Why? Water is cold, weather is cold. Later I will take bath. Where is it? I don't have to go anywhere. Plus I am Brahman. I can do dhyana. This is all swabhavika pravritti. So then there is no regulation. Nobody is there to tell you anything, whether you are doing right, wrong, whether this is good, bad. You will do whatever you want. And in particular, those who are in the early stage of sadhana. Early stage of sadhana means everything is early stage only. Those Mahatmas who have already lived here in Gurukula for 10 years, etc., they have already disciplined themselves. They have a lot of vairagya. They don't have to worry. But those who are not like that, any nitya naimittika karma is given for swabhavika pravritti should not be there for that. Swabhavika pravritti nirodha. And nishedeshu sakshadeva naisargika pravritti virodha. And in nishedha vakya, don't do this. Directly naisargika pravritti nirodha is there, nirudyante. So what is the objective of this discussion? That any Vaidika karma, whether it is for Swarga, whether it is for Pashu, whether Nitya Naimittika karma, or injunction for Nishiddha karma, that don't do this, etc., they all are streamlining my thinking. They are reducing my vasana, reducing my pravritti, etc. Tadevam sarvam eva karma kandam nivritti dvarena mokshaparam. And therefore, entire karma kanda nivritti dvarena mokshaparam. So, gradually I am told, you drop this, इसमें से निवृत्त हो जाओ, let go of this, let go of this, let go of this, everything gradually I give up. Certain things, age restrictions, you will have to give up. I want to eat this pakoda every day. You drop it. Why? Because otherwise, next day you will have problems. Or after a few years, you will see everything is blocked. All your arteries, they will show you. Sugar, you want, love sweet, meetha. After some time, so certain things you cut down, some certain things Shastra will tell, some certain things health, doctors will say you cannot do this anymore. Ultimately, all nivritti will happen. Nivritti dvarena mokshaparam karma kandam. Nanu shastriyat karmano hetoho उत्तरम कार्यकरण संघातम अतिशयवंतम अग्रजात प्रतिपद्यमानः अग्रजात, you have to read, प्रतिपद्यमानः संघातात् पूर्वस्मान् मुच्यते तत्कुतो निवृत्तिपरत्वं कर्मकाण्डस्य इति आशंक्य. Somebody says शास्त्रीयात् कर्मणो हेतोः उत्तरम कार्यकरण संघातम अतिशयवंतम. शास्त्रीय कर्म is to get gradually superior and superior कार्यकरण संघात, better body, better equipments, more lifestyle, superior and superior. So उत्तरम कार्यकरण संघातम अतिशयवंतम, all the way up to agrajat. Agraja means Virat. If you take 20 number tippani sutra Hiranyagarbha, up to Hiranyagarbha there is uttara utkarsha prapti phalakataya pravritti karatvam 21 number tippani. So then Pratipadhyamana Sanghatat Purvasman Muchyate. What happens is, he will drop previous Sanghata and he will go to superior. Then from there he will drop that, he will go to superior. So where is Nivritti? Instead you are getting better like this. Some Purva Paksha is asking. So Karma Kanda is not Nivritti Para. Karma Kanda is giving you Uttara कार्यकरण संघात अतिशय. So see, both ways you can look at the same thing. This way also you can see, that way also. Both they are shown in Tika. Ataha in Bhashya, कारणात् पूर्वस्मात् पूर्वस्मान् मृत्योर मुच्यत उत्तरम प्रतिपद्यमानो व्यावृत्यर्थम एव प्रतिपद्यते न तु तादर्थ्यम इति अतः आद्वैतक्षयात् सर्वं मृत्युर्द्वैतक्षये तु परमार्थतो मृत्योः आप्तिम् अतिमुच्यते। उत्तरम उत्तरम प्रतिपद्यमान पूर्वस्मात् मृत्योः मुच्यते. He releases himself from the earlier death, but he is gripped or under the grip of the next one. व्यावृत्त्यर्थम एव प्रतिपद्यते. It is for the sake of becoming free, but there is no jump unless there is lot of vairagya. That's why in Gita 6th chapter, two types of sadhakas are there, and when they die, then what happens? Now, first one, what is the first one? प्राप्य पुण्यकृतान् लोकान् उषित्वा शाश्वती समाः शुचीनां श्रीमतां गेहे योग भ्रष्टो विजायते. This is first one. So then uttara there is utkarsha. He will go gradually. Athava yoginam eva kule is lot of vairagya. So then he will take different path. In this way two are given. प्रतिपद्यमानो व्यावृत्त्यर्थम एव प्रतिपद्यते न तु तादर्थ्यम इति अतः आद्वैतक्षयात्. You see here आंग उपसर्ग given. आद्वैतक्षयात् सर्वं मृत्युर द्वैतक्षये तु परमार्थतो मृत्योः आप्तिम् अतिमुच्यते. Until Dvaita is there, Mrityu will be there. When Dvaita Kshaya takes place, from Mrityu one will become free. So if somebody says, but I like Dvaitam, Dukhi Bhava. Sukhi Bhava, Ashirvada is for those who want Advaita. Tika. यद ही इदम उत्तरम उत्तरम सातिशयम फलम प्राजापत्यम पदम तदपि प्रसाद आरोहण क्रमेण व्यावृत्ति द्वारा मोक्षम अवतारयितुम एव. Prasad arohana means if you want to go to your house or higher floor, you go take steps. Arohana kramena. Vyavritti dwara releasing the previous one. Avatarayitum eva. Natu tatraiva prajapatya pade shrutehe tatparyam. There is no tatparya in prajapatya pada. Why? Tasyapi niratishay phalatva abhavad ityartha. It also doesn't have Niratishay Phala. Niratishay Phala is only when Dvaita Kshaya takes place. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.